Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Ultra Hardware number 44382. This is a residential tubular lever. I call it a lock set. It's not a lock set in that it has a key. It's a latch set would be more correct to call it. This is a hall or closet, or sometimes referred to as a passage set. No lock, just two always operable levers. Satin nickel is the finish. This is considered a grade 3 lock, and that means that it's residential. Again, passage function. The outside, the inside. The inside has the holes for the screws. This is their briarwood style handle. They say that it's ADA compliant, and I have no reason to refute that at all. It's got the return back to the face of the door. Adjustable latch, 2 3/8, 2 3/4, two different face plates on it. Will work on doors 1 3/8 to 1 3/4 thick, non-handed. As you can see, you can install that on either your left-hand doors or, of course, right-hand doors without trouble. Easy installation with a 2 1/8 hole, that's for sure. These locks are simple. This is called a tubular lock. Okay. We've got that retracting piece there. Here's your latch bolt, and you get the concept about how that's going to work. Just like that. Okay. Adjustable latch. By depressing the pin that's here, you can activate that hook and slide it out to 2 3/4. That's a dimension from the edge of the door to the center of the 2 1/8 hole. 2 3/8, of course, is more common. That is a round corner faceplate that you see there with 1/4 radius corners. You can pop that off by working something very small and blade-like underneath there, and then installing the square corner version on it. Two strike plates. One is going to be a square corner full lip strike, and the other is a radius corner full lip strike. Radius corners for both are very common. That's how the pre-hung or door manufacturing world generally operates with a residential door. They've got a 1/2 inch diameter bit, and they're routing everything, the jambs, the edge of the door, and they're not going back to square those corners out, so they will leave a 1/4 inch radius cutout, radius prep. Very nice item. There's a link below this video to the installation instructions, and it's really straightforward, even a template. If you've already have a door, working with a door that's machined, 2 1/8 hole, 2 3/4 or 2 3/8 back set. The edge prep needs to be 1 inch wide, 2 1/4 tall, either square or round radius corner. Put the latch bolt in first, tighten it down, don't over tighten it. I actually like to leave it a good couple of turns loose, then install the lock, get it positioned on the door, test it. And once you know you've got nice smooth operation, tighten everything down, just hand tight. It doesn't need to be excessively tight for anything to work. That's how your smooth operation is going to work. That link to the installation instructions is just an overview. It is packaged with the product when you get it. Nothing really of note that I see worthy to go over in this video, but if there's a question that you have specifically about it, please feel free to reach out to us. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Ultra Hardware products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website. And then finally, of course, a link to the full product catalog. Before we get to the product catalog, let's go over the dimensional properties. The diameter of the rows about 2 5/8. Okay. Overall length of the lever overall is about 4.5. Center of the hole to the edge of the lever, as you can see, is about 4 1/4. Projection from the edge of the door to the outside, greatest outside point of the lever, is about 2 1/4 inch. Now you've got some dimensional properties. Now that full line catalog is very useful. If you're a residential client, by all means review all of their residential passage sets, privacy sets, keyed locks, deadbolts, hinges, and as it pertains to residential hardware, you might want to look at their cabinet hardware, their knobs and their drawer pulls. Nice quality, nice value. If you are a commercial client, especially look at their hinges, their door closers, their lock sets, and their exit devices. Tremendous value, very high quality, very easy to install. Something, if you're a door installer, let's say, your commercial hollow metal door installer, you'll find great products that you can make, quite frankly, quite honestly, money on. You can be profitable on it. Your client's going to come to depend on the quality and the cost, and probably, as my experience tells me, on future jobs, it'd be something that you're going to request to have used. If you have any questions on the Ultra hardware, their part number 44382 lever passage set in their Briarwood lever in their satin nickel finish, or any other Ultra product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.